Hey guys, just a very quick video today on how to make potato dumplings, a favorite ubiquitous side dish in Czech and Slovakian cuisine. All-round dumplings in general seem to be isolated to this part of Central Europe, with other countries around the world usually using doughy side dishes in a very different manner. Dumplings, the way I am used to them from the Czech Republic, are either filled or unfilled, and they're made generally from flour dough, either unfilled, which is the most common type, served with meat like roast beef along with our traditional sauces, or they can be made sweet and filled with strawberries or plums, or even smoked pork. Potato dumplings belong to the unfilled type of dumplings, and they are generally served with meat, the type of duck or pork, ideally with sour cabbage or sweet cabbage to go with it. Sometimes cabbage and meat are combined in a Hungarian Szegedin goulash, which very much took root in Czech and Slovakia. Okay, let's cook. Dumplings went to a pot to be cooked unpeeled until soft. Then I let them sit outside to cool down so they can be handled and peeled. Then I peeled the whole lot. I put a big pot of water to boil. That's where the dumplings will cook later. Potatoes got grated on a coarse grater. Then I buried them under a thick layer of coarse flour, or even better, semolina. I mixed in an egg or two depending on how firm I want my dumplings to be. I added quite a bit of salt. Potatoes need to be seasoned well. I mixed everything into a smooth dough. I created cylinder-shaped pieces so 2 or 3 can fit into a pot. I submerged them in boiling water. I got the water back to simmer, and I waited for the dumplings to float up to the surface, which is an indication that they are nearly ready. No rush taking them out though. Don't take them out too early. Let's make sure the center of the dumplings isn't left raw. If unsure, just cut down the middle and have a look and return them if necessary. In the meantime, I'll dice some onion and brown it on butter to put on top of my dumplings later. Once the dumplings were cooked, I took them out and let them rest for a bit so water can evaporate from the surface, making sure to turn them at least once to avoid, slimy bottom. After a while, you can cut them into servable slices. Your knife may be a bit too sticky in this case, so a sewing thread is usually a better option. Sometimes plain dumplings with browned onion is all it takes to make a tasty meal. Or the already mentioned Szegedin goulash is a fancier option for sure. A few more pictures of other uses of potato dumplings will follow now, and I thank you for watching.